Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Compass, and I will show you how to connect and pair your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so this is not too hard to do. First I will show you what has to be done on this end through the voice commands, and then later I will try to record the screen on my phone and show you how to connect the Bluetooth. Okay, so to start, first you'll want to press the phone button and then just listen to the instructions. This will take some time because you'll have to listen through the whole menu and then make a selection at the end.
Uconnect phone ready. Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, recent calls, SMS, emergency, towing assistance, setup or tutorial.
Setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
PIN code 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Samsung.
Adding.
Samsung.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
Priority 1 is already occupied by
iPhone 8.
Would you like to override?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
Okay, and now I will record my phone screen. So first you want to enable the Bluetooth, so click on the Bluetooth icon. This will get you to the Bluetooth menu. You want to scroll all the way down under available devices, and here you will see the Uconnect, and press onto that. And now just wait, and you will be asked for the PIN, and your PIN is 1234, which you set previously, or any other PIN that you selected. 1234, pair.
Pairing complete.
And this is everything you have to do. Now if you want, you can allow your Jeep Compass to access your contacts, call history, stuff like that. This is up to you. I will deny it in this case. And now I'm ready to make phone calls, and that's it. Thank you for visiting my channel. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.